Hi, we're at JCK Toronto and we're here with Stéphane Lavoie from B-Fly and also Michael Clark from Stoller. How are you, gentlemen?
Good morning. Very
Good morning.
I understand you have some big news to share with us. So, Stéphane, why don't you tell us what it's all about?
Yeah, it is my pleasure and my pride to now have the chance to do a partnership, very nice partnership with Stoller Corporation in the U.S. So they will distribute the B-Fly line in all the retailers in the U.S. side, starting this fall.
So why did you guys pick Stoller for your distributor?
Many reasons. First, Stoller is the largest distributor in the U.S. by far, and also they have a very good approach to the retailers. They have good solution to the retailers. I had the chance to come to Lafayette a couple of months ago to live the experience of the retailers out there. They find solution for the retailers. They really care about the economic situation, and they always find new merchandising and new stock approach for them. So they really care about their customers, and this is what is very important for us.
Then, Michael, why B-Fly?
What a remarkable brand. We have been so impressed with the ingenuity, the difference, the fact that it's made in Canada is a bonus. We travel the world. We're a global source and resource to be able to bring good ideas to our customers, and we represent the independent jeweler. So as the independent jeweler doesn't necessarily have the opportunity or the strength to go out into the world to see what's new and special for the customers, Stoller can. And we're very committed to providing in a B2B environment products and interesting things happening that we think are right for the market. And the ingenuity of these folks to us has been very, very exciting. So it's a great marriage.
Right. So do you feel that there's a niche in the American market that B-Fly is going to fill?
Oh, absolutely. Aesthetically, it's spectacular. And one of the main parts of the business that appeal to us is addressing the tween market, which has been abandoned and neglected, but we know that young girls in the young teen years do have discretionary spending. They are out in the malls, they're in the stores visiting, and frankly, we'd like them to enjoy the privilege of choosing real jewelry. And I think B-Fly has done a tremendous job of responding to that. The fact that it's an exclusive cut stone by a Canadian, North American even, either way, this is spectacular. I think it's kind of great to keep it home.
So, Stéphane, now that you're expanding into the U.S., are you thinking of expanding your lines too, adding more products or trying new things?
We will do other partnership together. We may develop products together as well, so it's different kind of synergies we can think about. But of course, we are always thinking about developing new products and new concepts.
And this has been a really great year for you guys because you also got a deal for distribution of your products in France by Groupe GL, which I know is a big deal in Europe, across Europe. So how has that been for you so far, that partnership?
This is a very good partnership also. So we are very happy this year. It's a very good year, and we will work with Stoller very much to develop the market with them. So this is our priority. Also.
And Mike, I also wanted to ask you about JCK Toronto. I know it's your first time here, is that right?
This is my second time.
Oh, your second time?
My second, yes.
Oh, okay. But I know Stoller has not been at JCK for a few years, and now you're back. So why do you think JCK is important again, or why do you think it's relevant for you guys to be here? And I also know that you're doing something different here in Toronto, so why don't you tell me about it?
We are. I happen to be Canadian, and I'm very proud of the Canadian industry. And when I went to Lafayette, Louisiana with Stoller 4 years ago, I discovered that they had a somewhat jaundiced view of the strength of the Canadian market. And I was well aware it was strong, but it hadn't had the international impact that I believe it deserved. I think that the JCK people have elevated the standard of the show, made it very exciting. We were very pleased to be here in just a nominal way last year and are here much more aggressively this year. We're excited to be part of it. It is a dynamic market. Our customers have been great to us while we're here at the show. I couldn't be happier at the turnout of this. We see big opportunity in Canada.
Well, congratulations to you both, and thank you for being here.
It's a real pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.